Good morning, ma'am. My name is T. Lakshmi Narasimha. My roll number is 234G1A0309 in mechanical branch. Today my topic is structure and properties and use of magnesium. To the structure and properties and use of magnesium. Introduction to magnesium. Magnesium is a chemical element with symbol Mg. It has magnesium symbol is Mg and atomic number is 12. This is magnesium atomic number is n 12. It belongs to alkaline earth metals groups in the periodic table. Magnesium is essentially for various biological process and industries applications. It is to see the picture of magnesium. In the top of the two bottom atomic number is 12. In the atomic weight is 24.305. It is a crystal structure. Next, atomic structure of magnesium. This to the picture of magnesium. Atomic mass is 24.305. Electronic configuration is 282. Magnesium has 12 protons and 12 electrons with a configuration of 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2. The presence of two electrons in outer shell makes it highly reactive. In the figure of electrons to highly reactive to the outermost shell. Magnesium has three stable isotopes Mg24, Mg25, Mg26. Physical properties of magnesium. Magnesium is a shiny silver white metal that is lightweight. Magnesium is a lightweight metal. It has melting at 650 degrees Celsius and boiling point is 1090 degrees Celsius. It is a melting point. The density of magnesium is approximately 1.74 grams centimeters cube, making it one of the lightest structure metal. Magnesium is a lightest structure in the metals, all metals. To the picture, see the picture. Magnesium properties uses. Magnesium is an atomic number 12. Magnesium 24.3050. Next, chemical properties of magnesium. Chemical properties means magnesium readily react with oxygen, forming magnesium oxide. It burns with a bright white flame when ignited, producing considerable heat. The metal react with water at elevated temperature to produce hydrogen gas. Then water and metal with combined react means the temperature produces hydrogen gas. It produces hydrogen gas. Alloy of magnesium. To the picture of magnesium alloys in silver. Magnesium is often alloy with aluminum and zinc and manganese to enhance strength. These alloys are used in aerospace and automotive application due to their lightweight nature. These magnesium alloys are strengthy, but this aerospace and automotive application their lightweight nature. This is used as a aerospace also used in this because of lightweight nature. The addition of other elements can be improve corrosion resistance and machinability. Addition of elements means it improve the corrosion means corrosion improve for the resistance of miscibility. To the run of miscibility, corrosion maximum increases. The biological importance of magnesium. Magnesium plays a crucial role in over 300 enzymatic reactions in the body. 300 and over enzymatic reactions to the party for the magnesium is a very crucial role in important our body. It has essentially for energy production to the DNA synthesis in our body. More essentially product energy production is in magnesium. Magnesium deficiency can be lead to various health issues including muscles cramps and arthritis. Magnesium is an lead for health. Our health means it is an leaded. Further, to see the picture of biological importance of magnesium, calcium. Magnesium is the cofactor of all enzymatics utilize ATP pairwise transfer for the energy mix. It is an makes an high energy. Chlorophyll, the main program for the absence of arithmetic. Uses in aerospace industries, magnesium alloy are used extensively in the aircraft construction due to their low weight. Magnesium alloy are used extremely. Aircraft means aircraft, but it isn't used because of is a lightweight metal. Aeroplane will be there. The improved fuel efficiency and overall performance of aircraft. Aircraft means improve the efficiency. Fuel means compressed high efficiency. But this lightweight metal magnesium in then aeroplane can be it is used. The aerospace sector benefits from magnesium high strength to weight ratio. Aerospace sector benefits from the magnesium. Magnesium is a fully benefit for the aerospace to the strength with ratio and fuel efficiency. Some bill adding then lightweight metal. This is a magnesium is a because of using aerospace in magnesium. Next in uses in automotive industry. Automotive industry also using magnesium. Then see that magnesium is used to manufacture engine blocks and transmission cases. It is a manufacturing to the product will be manufactured then use the magnesium. Its lightweight properties contribute to improve fuel efficiency in vehicle. Magnesium is a lightweight property because the fuel can be efficient. Fuel can be improved. Then automotive industries increasingly utilizes magnesium to meet environmental regulation. To automotive industries also increasingly utilizes magnesium. Then utilize so many industries for the producting environmental regulation. Okay. Uses in electronics. Magnesium is used in the production of lightweight electronic casting. Magnesium is in production lightweight electronic casting. It provides excellent electromagnetic shielding for the sensitive electronic component. It is a sensitive electron. The metal's thermal conductivity helps us ease dissipation of electronic device. It metal's thermal conductivity helps to the dissipation of electronic devices. Uses in the construction. Magnesium compounds are used in the free resistant building metals. Magnesium also it is an used in construction. In buildings will be there use magnesium. It provides structural integrity while keeping weight low in construction application. It is an magnesium is a lightweight property. Then because of using buildings in structural integration structures, magnesium oxide boards are eco-friendly alternative to the traditional materials. Magnesium is an oxide board. It is a traditional materials. Role in agriculture. Magnesium as a agriculture it plays a crucial role. Magnesium is key component is cellulose virtual for the photosynthesis. It is an often added to fertilizers to the enhance plant growth and crop yield. Often it soil also in agriculture to the soil magnesium's level directly impact on agriculture productivity. Soil magnesium levels directly impact to the agriculture. Agriculture means it is an farmer connectivity to the nature. Nature will be provided in so many things. The magnesium level directly impact to the agriculture productivity. Health supplements. Magnesium supplements is widely used to address deficiency diet. Magnesium supplements are widely used in the address diet. The contribute to the muscles or nerve function as well as bone health. This complement as health is bone health will be various from forms of magnesium supplements are available including magnesium create and sulfate and oxide. Environmental impact to the magnesium to the see the picture for the HCl system leading magnesium to the MgCl2 6 NH3 precipitation solid separation and organic and solvent to the dryer and solid feeling Cl2G alkane MPC. Environmental magnesium is extracting can be ecological consequences if not managed properly. The magnesium sustainable practices are essential for minimizing minimum impacts. Recycling management for scrap material helps reduce environmental footprints. In craft means it has an footprints will be there will be added recycling management of scrap environmental impact to the magnesium for extend ecological consequence. Safety consideration. Magnesium is flammable and can pose fire hazards in certain conditions. Safety consideration, proper handling and storage and crucial prevent accidents. Safety measures include using protective gear and following guidelines in industry setting. In industrials are to the including using protective safety measurement will be provided. So many safeties are in considering so many industries. Industry sector in it has hazards, so many hazards, blasts, but safety precautions will be followed. Safety consideration, general procedure. To the, see the picture, magnesium bonds are extremely weight, flame, and to the future trends in magnesium uses. To the see the picture of metal magnesium. Global market report means it has an year of 2023. Market size trends and global forecast 20 2023 2032 it has an increased. Research is ongoing to the develop newer magnesium alloys for enhanced performance. There is a potential for increased use in lightweight vehicles or renewable energy sectors. Innovation in magnesium extraction and recycling methods are being explored. In future of magnesium, it is for increased further lightweight properties. Conclusion of magnesium properties. It has an magnesium to the conclusion. It has to see the picture. In top of the bottom, magnesium level 12, magnesium 24.305. Chemical engine welcome. Magnesium is a very versatile element with significant industries and biological importance. Its unique properties makes it an invaluable across various applications. Continued research and development will be further extend further use of magnesium. To the magnesium of conclusion means its unique properties mean included across various applications. Continue research development further expand as usage of future. Future means further future plan also further mean maintain to the development countries education system will be connected. Sir, thank you, ma'am. Thank you for the giving for the wonderful opportunity.